So Engineering USA is a global company. We have been around for about 15 years, going through a couple different acquisitions. We got acquired ourselves in 2017, which really started to help us expand from a US-focused company to a global company. The company that had acquired us did so to start a new division called Industry Excellence or Industry 4.0, which our US now is the central headquarters for. And then we have expanded with that from 2017 to offices both in Mexico, Brazil, UK, Germany, Italy, and India, and Spain. So we have our local, regional, and global clients that we're supporting today. As far as being a system integrator and a reseller, we have opportunities with clients where we're also leading the entire sales process, from working with the client to understand which technologies are a best fit for them, leveraging the Siemens portfolio. So we are scoping, consulting, and selling the software, and then we're leading and delivering the actual solution, so implementing, configuring, and deploying. As a system integrator, though, we also do a lot of work for Siemens clients as well that might be acquiring software through other channels, maybe other partners or the Siemens direct team. But being a pretty well-known integrator and trusted partner of the Siemens community, we oftentimes get asked to support deployments for clients that we actually didn't provide the sales engagement with. Really beneficial, I think, that when we are selling or talking to the clients, that they also understand that their value to the Siemens organization. So at a certain point in every deal, we often will introduce the Siemens channel to the end client, so they let them know that it's not just the reseller that knows and understands and wants your business. Siemens, the actual vendor, is as well. So they're committed just as we are for the success of the projects, because they're looking for long-term partners and growth as well for the clients. A lot of our business is kind of word of mouth as far as engagements, and we have a lot of relationships not only with the Siemens direct team, helping on the service side and helping them secure and win license sales, but we also do a lot of collaboration with the other partners in the VAR community. So I do like working partner to partner. It's been pretty successful for us. There are obviously things that we don't specialize in. The solution offering by Siemens is very broad, and a lot of those clients, some things they don't support that we can. So whether they're doing partner to partner deals and we're kind of splitting margin, or they're trying to sell a product that they might not have the skill set for, we'll actually help them sell it. We'll hopefully take the services and they can have all the software. So why do we partner with Siemens? Siemens is the only technology company that really covers the full digital thread. So we can leverage one technology stack to support our clients, whether it's from inception, the design of the product, all the way through post-product support or maintenance, repair, and overhaul. Siemens is really the only technology company that can have us offering for about every need. And that gives us a lot of flexibility to work with our clients in different engagements, and allows our company to grow and provide different dedicated business units that fulfill each of the pieces of the digital thread, all under the same portfolio family.